How should I use BioVEGA? Shake the bottle well before each use. Look at the recommended dose. BioVEGA is used in the vegetative phase. In this case, we have a 5-litre container, so we add 10 milliliters of BioVEGA. Take the cap off and squeeze until you fill the reservoir with the recommended dose. Keep the bottle's measuring reservoir on the top side while pouring in. Be sure that the water is at room temperature between 18 and 22 degrees Celsius. Stir well with a plastic stick. Now the nutrient solution is ready for watering the plants. In our sample, we're watering 2 basil plants, each pot with 11 litres of soil. For 11-litre pots, you can give a maximum of 1.1 litres at each watering. In this example, we give half a litre to each plant. You'll find further information on how to grow your plants in our leaflets, growth schedules, and on our website.